Yo, 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 it's your boy Chip, and I'm here with a market analysis. I was absent last week. I apologize, but let's get it going, right? It's 10/13, 2019, right? And what we're going to do today, we're going to look at the NZD JPY, right? We're going to look at USD NOK, and we're going to also look at the GBP CAD, okay? Let's get into it. So, I like the month and what's going on in the month, right? We get a pin bar reversal. Okay. We get a reversal. Seems reverse like, right? But there's a story that's being told. We got to make sure that this high doesn't get broken, or if it does, we're in the clear, right? So let's check our monthly. Okay, go down to my weekly. Okay. We have a lot of indecision, right? We have indecisions, right? This is a pin bar. So what I'm looking for this, right? It's so consolidated that this might even play around in consolidation for some time, right? Let me see something. Wow, okay. Let's take this to that downside. It's on the downtrend, right? Yeah, we hit a strong support, right? But it's not as strong as, it's just very consolidated. That's what it seems at the moment, right? So what we're gonna do is, I'm actually gonna wait for a fake out, right? I believe there's gonna be a fake out around this area, around this pin bar, right? Price is hitting 61.8 on the golden chip, right? If you haven't checked it out, you can check out the demo. It'll be in the link in the bio. Get a demo, test it out, see how you like it. But also, I see this as a fake out, right? Reason why is because the 61.8 and the 50 is coming up very, very soon, right? So those are strong reversal areas. And if I go down to my 4-hour, right? Look at this. It's showing that price wants to reverse, right? Price wants to actually reverse. Looks like it's going up, but we're losing momentum. That's what's happening. So I want to see a fake out happen around this area. And this consolidation area is kind of wild, to be honest. So if you wanted to wait for the resistance to get hit to take it to the support, we can do that, right? But are we looking for a continuation, right? If we look for a continuation, we want to wait for that so-called fake out, right? If this fake out ends up going through, we'll see a pullback, correct? 64 pips on the pullback. That's not bad, so that we'll get a touch. But I am looking for this to go bearish, right? I'm looking for this to sell. Let's go to GBP CAD, I believe. CAD. Okay, I'll put on my naked chart. Right. So, okay, for some time we've been having some bullish movement, right? We've hit a strong support, right? Oh, excuse me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plot this, right? The support and resistance. Go to resistance. Here's the support. Do remember that the Brexit issue is going on. There is still a lot of complications. So, in that time being, I believe that this will end up doing some type of retracement, some type of retracement leading it to the consolidation what's happening now. But if great things prosper, right, then we're going to see a bullish movement, right? Looking for this ultimately. I want to find out how the news pushes this, and I'll fix this. How price moves on the opening, right? Got a couple hours. Let me pull out this. Look at my 4-hour a bit. It's very, very, very bullish. But what I see is a pullback that could be happening potentially. All right, so let me get this. Plot this area. How long do we have to this? So we have 140 pips down to a support. Okay. So we have 140 pips to the support. And what I want this to actually buy, right? I want this to end up buying. If this does not buy, right, we could still take it down further down, right? That was 140. So once it hits 140, you can take profit. You can lock in your profits. You can do whatever, partials, whatever you believe is best for you, right? Then we could take it down to the support again, which would be another 360 pips, which isn't too bad, you know? That's some good pippage. Still kind of on an uptrend. Still kind of trendy, sort of. Very consolidated. So I want to just wait, right? I'm going to push this out, right? We can push that out. We can pull this trend line in here. This is very, very impulsive, right? Very, very impulsive. See, that's very impulsive move. So I want to see it come down to this area. We did get a rejection. We got a break. We got breaks, rejections. We got is that a retest? We got a slight retest. Yeah, a slight retest here. Came back, shot out. So we're gonna look for. I'm gonna look for the bearish movement for a little, for just the meantime. We could see an experience in the London session. So be ready of that, right? And now we're gonna go over to this USD NOK. I believe it's an exotic. Let's check it out. All right, so what we're gonna do is go to the monthly. Wow, monthly is showing reversal. Reversals are happening. Okay, cool. Looks like we could tackle this right to the downside. Let's see how much pips we got to the downside. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna measure the support and resistance, right? I'm gonna plot out my 61.8. That's all I kind of want to do there, right? So for the break, see how simple, that's just like a simple tactic, y'all. Like if you guys see a support resistance, just throw a fib on it. You know, on the monthly basically gives you the answers to the support and resistance of that month, right? So you could throw a Fibonacci and make sure you're putting the Fibonacci in the way of the direction of the trend, right? So I look for the 161 for the long-term swing position, okay? So my 61.8 is right here, right? We have a 161. I can wait for the break at the monthly low, and I could take this sucker to 865 pips. I'm actually going to be on that. It's very nice. It's very nice pips. So just wait for this area to be broken, right? The 9.04 4824. You wait for that to be broken, and we take that straight down to the support, right? Take that right down 800 pips, 850 pips. All right. If you guys have any requests, just put a comment, and I'll look at some pairs that that you guys need me to look over or want me to look over in another eye or perspective or so. Like I say, I'm no robot, but you know, we're all here together on these charts, so I'm always willing to help. And so thank you for tuning in. If you could like, subscribe, share this to your friends, share this to your family, share this to your cousins, your uncles, anyone, everyone that's looking for some type of way into another financial situation. We can get them into some trading. There's just some basic knowledge that would actually further your trading to another level. I don't really see much traders out there just giving out their strategies and such. So if you really tackle this down, you'll really get it down to a T, and you'll see success in it. I'll be doing these weekly, so you'll be able to, synchronize. And thank you guys once again for tuning in to Chip Trades, and I'm out.